using the digits 2, 3, 6, 9 exactly once in each number. What is the difference between the largest and the smallest number that can be formed? So we have 4 digits. Let me copy 2, 3, 6 and 9. Exactly 1 times we have to use every digit. So to form, because we have to find the difference between the largest and the smallest number, so first we have to find the largest number and the smallest number. So of course we will form the largest number if we start from the largest digits. The largest is 9. So what we put at the beginning 9, next is 6, 3 and 2. So this is the largest number which we can get. We start always from the largest digits and we go to the smallest. So we got 9,632 number. This is the largest. And now the smallest. Of course, the smallest number will be when we start to form the number from the smallest digits. 2 is the smallest. So we have 2, next is 3, 6 and 9. This is the smallest number. And now what we have to find? We have to find the difference between these two numbers. So we have to subtract these two numbers. We have 9, 6, 3, 2 minus 2, 3, 6, 9. We start from the last column. 2 minus 9, we have to borrow 1 from 3. So now we will have 2. And at the end we will have 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 2 we have minus 6. We cannot do. We have to borrow 1 from 6. So now we will have 5. And here will be 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 5 minus 3 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. So this is the difference between these two numbers. 7,263. This is my solution.